it work then? Pass me over again, innit? That's 5 years I've been in that job and I haven't moved.
So what are you going to do?
Well, I'm going to go into his office tomorrow, right, and I'm going to tell him you better have a serious rethink about this whole job thing, mate. Otherwise, I'm going to walk.
It's got to be done, innit?
It's the thing about life, right? You never, ever let anyone mug you off.
I was in a similar situation myself.
Thought I was going mad. Oh, dear. Oh, I've never had such a shock in my life. I think I'm okay.
Do you think it's dead?
Can't be sure. Pick it up, let's have a look.
No, I'm not picking it up. It's dirty.
Pick it up, it's only a little bird. It ain't going to hurt you.
You pick it up.
Look, in approximately 30 seconds, right, we're going to be in a station. Those doors are going to open. There's going to be people all over the place. Someone just step on that bird.
Silly old...
Hey, go steady, fella. Ticket, then you're liable to a £10 penalty charge. You haven't got a valid ticket, have you, mate? Have you? If that's the case, you would pay the £10 penalty now, or I want to see ID so we can send you a bill. Look, I'm not going to let you through. So you have to ask yourself, do you really want to stand around here all day? Because it doesn't bother me, I'm here all day anyway.
Go on, let her through.
Excuse me, madam. Do yourself a favour, put your hat on straight and smarten yourself up. 2 words, thin ice. All right, mate, through you go. Go on, off you go. Mind them stairs. Now, where was I?